Blighter, surveillance products from Plextech Limited. The Blighter product family includes electronic scan ground surveillance radars for the detection of moving targets. Self-contained, portable and entirely solid state, Blighter radar is key to numerous security and military ground support applications. Applications including the surveillance of strategic installations in civil and private sectors. Border surveillance for national security, where long detection range and remote unmanned operation are often essential requirements. Perimeter security, key asset protection, and tactical use on the battlefield. Blighter is an FM-CW Doppler radar providing moving target detection from as close as 10 metres out to an impressive 32 kilometres, at speeds as low as half a kilometre an hour. All control and signal processing electronics is contained within the radar unit, requiring only a PC or PDA as the user interface and image display. Blighter's unique electronic beam scanning technology provides up to 360-degree horizontal coverage with no moving parts, offering high reliability, configuration flexibility and covert operation. High resolution plus integral GPS receiver and digital compass provide discrimination of multiple targets and accurate overlay onto a map database. Ethernet and Wi-Fi interfaces are provided, and operation over the Internet is fully supported. The radar operates in the KU International Radio Location Band, and transmit power is only 1 watt, making it difficult to detect and reducing the risk of interference. Input power is typically 40 watts, and consumption can be further reduced by power-saving operating modes. The radar unit is compact and weighs as little as 15 kilograms. 2 product variants address all requirements. Where cost is a key factor, Blighter B202 is the solution. Employing novel printed antenna technology, it provides detection of people out to 3 kilometres and vehicles out to 8 kilometres. When maximum range is essential, the Blighter B400 series provides state-of-the-art performance, detecting people out to 10 kilometres and vehicles out to 32 kilometres. Available in commercial, grade and ruggedized variants with full product certification, Blighter is appropriate for global deployment in commercial, civil and military applications. Using Doppler radar, Blighter is able to ignore the returns from static objects, such as ground terrain, foliage, buildings, etc., which together are known as ground clutter. A typical terrain would otherwise return a radar image which was of no use to surveillance applications, as shown in this display. But by introducing clutter filtering, the static objects are suppressed, leaving a clear display of all moving targets. False alarms due to adverse weather conditions and animals are minimized by adjustable sensitivity thresholds and Doppler filtering. Location, speed and direction of travel are identified by combining the radar data with the inbuilt GPS receiver and digital compass, and once highlighted by the Blighter radar, targets can be inspected by a security camera. The Doppler frequency shift induced by moving targets can be used to differentiate various target types. The distinct audible whine from a vehicle target, with its high frequency content, is readily distinguishable from the more rhythmic tone from a human target. This may be subaudible at slow speed, yet still identifiable electronically. These differing sounds can be interpreted by the operator or by an automatic target recognition system. The Blighter View HMI is the comprehensive tool for the configuration and management of a complete Blighter security system. Let's look at some of its facilities. This is the typical display from a single Blighter radar unit, here set to an 80-degree sector scan and a range limit of 8 kilometers. The blue background image is the clutter map, caused by static objects such as buildings and trees. Moving objects are clearly displayed, each colour-coded according to its speed, and with the facility to show the track of the target over a period of time. Optimised for easy, semi-skilled operation, there is a comprehensive set of menus that can be configured by the system manager. The clutter map may be suppressed to more clearly highlight the moving targets. Touchscreen zoom and pan controls enable inspection of key target areas. Targets may be selected to display data on their range, bearing, velocity and typical size, all very useful for the categorising of the target type. Key to target identification is the Doppler shift caused by its motion, and selecting a target of interest enables the operator to listen to this audio signature and identify the various target types. Alert zones can be introduced around critical areas, such that an alarm is triggered if an object moves into them. Here we define an alert zone at a crossroad junction, and as a vehicle enters the zone, it changes colour and an audible alarm is triggered to alert the operator. Similarly, exclude zones may be defined, such that moving objects in these areas are not displayed. The Blighter radar incorporates direct control of remote cameras. Individual cameras can be assigned and automatically panned onto a selected target, and on-screen camera zoom controls provide adjustment of the field of view. The Blighter View HMI also provides a comprehensive range of system configuration tools. Structured pull-down menus enable the setting of all radar and system parameters, networking functions, data logging and self-test facilities. Blighter can form an integral part of a comprehensive security system involving cameras, thermal imagers, seismic and acoustic sensors. With Wi-Fi wireless interconnect, Ethernet interface and the ability to operate over the Internet as a data server, Blighter is compatible with a wide range of system architectures. Via its integral server functionality, Blighter can directly control an auto-cue camera to inspect selected targets. For border security and wide area surveillance requiring 360-degree coverage, multiple Blighters can be networked together and will automatically cooperate so that there is no interference between them. The Blighter B202 is easy to carry and quick to install. Comprising only one self-contained lightweight unit with standalone battery pack and user interface terminal, the unit can be operated out of the box within 3 minutes. And a small lithium-ion battery is sufficient to provide up to 24 hours operation when power-saving scan modes are employed. The user interface is connected via either a single cable or the integral Wi-Fi radio link, which provides remote access up to 1 kilometre range. The integral GPS receiver and digital compass provide all necessary location and orientation data for immediate operation of the mapping display. For surveillance activities requiring mobility, or for mobile asset security, Blighter is ruggedized and fully suited to vehicle installation. Its wireless control interface permits easy, rapid deployment away from the vehicle or on an extendable mast. Small size and electronic scanning enable a wide range of fixed installations and easy integration on security observation towers alongside cameras and lighting equipment. Low power consumption and a range of power-saving operating modes enable solar power backup for remote installations. Blighter radars are designed and tested to meet the wide range of environmental conditions encountered in deployments around the world. The products have full CE and FCC approvals and are compliant with IP65 and MIL standard 810, qualifying them for use in commercial, civil and military security applications. The radar is fully protected against water and dust, being qualified to the International Ingress Protection Rating IP65, allowing it to operate in extremely wet or dusty environments. Blighter remains fully operational from -30 degrees Celsius to over +60 degrees Celsius, whilst built-in self-test facilities help ensure maximum reliability under these conditions. The radar is designed to be tolerant to fluid contamination. For example, in icy or snowy conditions, the exterior can be sprayed with de-icer to prevent further icing. For operation in coastal environments, the radars are designed and tested to withstand excessive salt fog. Extensively tested for severe shock and vibration, both in its transportation case and in its operational state, the product is fully qualified for use in vehicle-mounted applications. An optional add-on ruggedization kit provides further shock protection should it be needed. For example, the extreme rough handling that can occur during rapid deployment from a backpack. The Blighter radar, unequalled performance in wide area surveillance. Whether your needs are for localized asset security or the demanding role of national border security, whether your application is commercial, civil or military, Blighter, the electronic scanning Doppler radar from Plextech Limited, is an essential component in addressing today's stringent security requirements.